Hey guys, hope you're well. So today we'll be making some fried melange, otherwise known as fried Bigan, fried eggplant. So we're making it with some fish. So here's our, we're making it with our red snapper. So this snapper is already seasoned with black pepper, salt, sazon, cayenne pepper, paprika. So that's our fish already seasoned. Here's our flour to fry the fish. Today we're gonna fry our fish. Usually we do not fry fish, but today we'll fry our fish. That's our Bigan all chopped up, ready to be cooked. Here's our seasoning, our tomatoes, garlic, scallion, celery, onion, and wiri pepper, and some finishing touches. Got some thyme, salt, red pepper, and black pepper. So let's get to frying the fish. Right, babe? Mm-hmm. Okay. All right, so hopefully this oil is hot, so we'll see. Hopefully, oh, yep, it's nice and hot. So we're putting in some red snapper in our fried Bigan today. Seasoned greetings, guys. Seasoned greetings. Hope you all are doing well. You're enjoying this season. This is the happy season. It's the happiest time of the year and all that good stuff.
The Christmas season, huh?
Yeah, it's Christmas season.
Everybody's busy today.
Yeah. Shopping gifts.
Mm-hmm.
Good.
You want to put this near so you can put your fire fish in there?
Yeah. So, that here. So that's our fried fish, looking all golden brown already.
You look cute with your t-shirt, yeah.
Oh,
Joy.
Joy to the world.
Joy to the world. Mm-hmm.
Very good. Thank you, babe.
You're welcome.
Maybe we can turn that on just like that.
Mm-hmm. So here we're gonna cook that Bigan in here. We'll try to do two things at the same time so we can save some time. Are we trying not to use too much oil? Just a little.
We're already eating fried fish,
Yeah.
so.
Mm-hmm.
Alright guys, so starting to this is the process of starting to fry our eggplant. So some garlic in, fresh garlic first. Good on the fish. Here's our fried snapper. which we're gonna put in the eggplant. Fried eggplant. So I'm gonna let that cook up so it can flavor the eggplant. All right, we're gonna put our eggplant in. Guys, and these eggplant are the long Chinese eggplant, the long skinny ones.
Asian.
The Asian eggplant.
Yep.
Chinese eggplant too. Okay. Alright. Okay. Let that cook down. This is the beginning of us making fried melange.
Yeah, it's one of my favorite dishes.
Mine too.
Eggplant, eggplant and saltfish.
Yeah.
Smoked fish. Fried fish. Fried fish. Any one of them, right?
Yep. So here's our fried fish. Oh.
These fish looks really good.
Yeah. So, more fish.
You think one more fry in there and it's done?
Yep. Just 2 batches.
Okay. Hey guys.
By the way, guys, these this snapper fish, we just well, not just, we brought back from Guyana when we went to Guyana. Came back about a month ago. So this is some of the snapper fish we brought back.
Yeah, we got that's a lot of fish.
Straight out of Guyana.
From the back down.
Yep. Me and Vishal went in the back down when we caught these.
Yeah.
Right, Vishal?
Yeah.
Right there?
Yes, honey. Snapper, right?
Yeah.
I love snapper.
Who doesn't?
Two snapper, fried,
Fried
curry snapper.
fried fish and rice.
Oh yeah.
With,
Or even chopra.
with hot sauce, pepper sauce.
Yeah.
Yep. So we're gonna let this fry. Alright, so we're gonna add some onions, celery, scallions, tomato, otherwise known as tomato, and some wiri pepper.
5 wiri pepper.
I didn't count, but
Oh, it's chipped up. Seriously.
so we're gonna let that cook in. We'll let that fry. How it looks, babe?
Looks good.
Show them our fish, our fried fish that we're gonna be putting in. So we're making fried belange, otherwise known as fried eggplant, fried bigan, and fried fish.
Yeah. It's just the two of us, so we don't need much fish.
That's quite a lot. That's like 50 pieces of fish.
Yeah.
But they're cut small. Okay. All right, so we'll let that cook up. Okay. All right, so we'll add some thyme, because
Our thyme bucket.
yeah, because fried belange without thyme is not fried belange in my world, in my book. Add some crushed,
More crushed pepper.
more crushed pepper because we really like it spicy, as if it isn't spicy already. Some black pepper. I'm gonna add some salt. And we're gonna stir that in. Guys, it smells so good. Fried belange is such an amazing, eggplant is such an amazing vegetable. Whether you're frying it, currying it, roast it. In general, I love eggplant.
Me too.
Yeah.
Eggplant choker.
Yep.
Yep, Bigan choker.
Belange or choker. Is that what it's called, babe?
Yeah, Bigan choker.
Belange or choker?
Bigan choker.
Not belange.
Bigan choker.
We're gonna add a little bit of water to cook it down a little bit. Okay. Got our celery, onions. Nice. I know some people put in like potatoes in this, but we
Some small pieces.
yeah, we opted not to put in potatoes. I know in Guyana, my mom would usually put eddos.
Yeah, eddo.
Yep.
Or Bigan and shrimp.
Yeah, that too. But to each his own. You cook it how you want to, right?
Yeah.
There's no right or wrong way of making this. Yeah. Come show it the. Here's our.
Yeah. Put in the fish now.
We're gonna put in the fish. A little bit. We'll let the seasoning cook up first, and then we'll add the fish.
Yeah. Hey guys, let us know how you like your eggplant, your bigan. I like mine's with fried fish or salt fish, smoked fish.
Yeah.
Yeah. In a few minutes, we're going to put
Or eggplant and
the
shrimp.
fish in here.
Yeah.
So you're gonna add the fish.
Yeah, and we are going to add the fish. So just lay it in there.
Joy to the world.
Yeah. Lord knows we need a lot of joy in this world.
Yeah, especially these times, right?
Absolutely.
Oh my God, this looks good. Look at this, guys. Look at all that goodness in there.
Oh my gosh, the fish is so tasty. Right amount of spice or spiciness. Yeah. I'm just gonna cook this up in here. Just stir it in.
This is a nice, easy, simple recipe. And guys, let us know what to cook next. If you guys is a YouTuber out there and love cooking, message us or make a comment underneath the video and let us know what you want to cook. And we will cook it for you next time.
Yep. Absolutely.
Right, babe?
Guys, yeah, the channel is Cooking with Vish and Alini. Make sure you check it out. As Vishal said, if you're also a YouTuber, comment in the comment section. Let us know what you'd like us to cook. You know, we're all YouTubers, and you know, check us out.
Yep.
Cooking with Vish and Alini. While you're there, be sure to subscribe
And share the video.
and share. Leave a like, comment.
Hey guys, we're still cooking this eggplant and fry fish. We got some scallions here we can throw in.
Finishing touches.
Yep, it smells amazing. In a few minutes, this done cook. And I like to turn it up a little bit. So can't turn it too hard. I don't want to break up the fish. I want all this stuff to go here
Yummy.
in my tummy.
Yeah.
I think that's the dairy.
Looks like.
Yeah, looks good there. We don't like it to cook too much.
Yeah. And we don't want gravy in it too, right? So we didn't add water. We just cooked it down dry.
Yeah. And again, this is eggplant, Bigan with fry snapper. And you're done.
Yeah. Like you should, babe.
Thank you. Santa Claus.
Yeah, look at that.
Mm-hmm. I got a gift for everyone.
The gift is to check our YouTube channel out, check our videos out. That's a gift.
Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you guys' support. Please like, share, comment. And like we said, if you want us to cook something and you're a YouTuber, we love to cook and this is what we've been doing. I'm a foodie lover, so let us know what you want to cook and we will cook. Just send us a message or in the description or go to the page Cooking with Vish and Nalini and send us a message, a personal message if you want. Thank you guys again. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas. Me and Nalini love you guys, wishing you guys all the best. Thank you.
Peace out, guys. Be well.